Hello, good morning friends. Welcome all of you. Myself Jatin Dave from Asapura School. We are going to continue textual example number 13 from the lesson quadratic equation. यहाँ पर हम क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला का यूज़ करके किस तरह से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं इसके डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So, example number 13, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0 एंड हियर a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to, put the value of a, b and c appropriately and we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 25 minus 24 equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac equal to 1 is greater than 0 and therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the value of a, b, c and under root b square minus 4ac properly and finally we get x is equal to 5 plus or minus under root 1 by 6. That means 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. We get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 by 3. So the roots of the equation is 2 by 3 and 1. Another equation, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 16 minus 20 equal to minus 4, which is less than 0. Since the square of a real number cannot be negative, therefore under root b square minus 4ac will not have any real value. So there are no real roots for the given equation. Now third equation, 2x square minus 2 into under root 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 into root 2 and c equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus under root 0 by 4 is equal to root 2 by 2 plus or minus 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 by under root 2. So the roots are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Example number 14 on your screen. Find the roots of the following equation, x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3 where x is not 0. सबसे पहले डिस्कस करेंगे x plus x 1 upon x equal to 3 multiplying throughout by x and we get x square plus 1 equal to 3x. Therefore x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 9 minus 4 equal to 5, which is greater than 0. And therefore the solution x is equal to 3 plus or minus under root 5 by 2. Because b square minus 4ac is equal to 5, so under root of the b square minus 4ac is equal to under root 5 and value of b is equal to minus 3, so therefore 3 plus or minus under root 5 by 2. So the roots are 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. Another equation is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x by 2 equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0 or 2. Here x is not equal to 0 and 2 multiplying the equation by x into x minus 2 and we get x minus 2 minus x equal to 3x into x minus 2. Therefore x minus 2 bracket over minus x is equal to 3x square minus 6x. So the given equation reduced to 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation. And from the given equation, here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 36 minus 24 equal to 12, which is greater than 0. And square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to under root 12 Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus or minus under root 12 by 6 equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3, because 4 3s are 12. So, under root 12 is simplify of the under root 12 is equal to 2 under root 3 by 6. Now, 2 is the common factor for both numerator and denominator, and which is cancelled out. Finally, we get 3 plus or minus under root 3 by 3. So, the roots of the equation is 3 plus under root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3. One more example here, example number 15 on your screen. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. देखिए ये एक एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और मोस्ट टाइम पे एग्जाम्पल है। मोटर बोट की स्पीड है 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर। इन स्टिल वाटर टेक्स 1 आवर मोर देन टू गो 24 किलोमीटर अप स्ट्रेट जाना है और इसी रूट पर इसे रिटर्न डाउन स्ट्रेट आना है सेम स्पॉट पर। तो फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम, यहाँ पर हमें पानी के प्रवाह की गति मेज़र करनी है। सो लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर। स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर। Therefore, the speed of the boat upstream is 18 minus x km per hour, and speed of the boat downstream is 18 plus x km per hour. The time taken to go upstream is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 24 km and speed is 18 minus x hour. Similarly, the time taken to go downstream equal to 24 by 18 plus x hour. So, according to the condition, 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x equal to 1, and therefore we get 24 multiplied by bracket 18 plus x minus 24 multiplied by bracket 18 minus x equal to 1 multiplied by bracket 18 minus x into bracket 18 plus x. And finally we get x square plus 48 minus 324 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Using the quadratic formula, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 48 and c is equal to minus 324. So we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 48 square plus 1296। 48 स्क्वायर जो है वो होगा 2304। सो अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज अंडर रूट 3600 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3600 इज इक्वल टू 60। So, using the quadratic formula we get x is equal to minus 48 plus or minus under root 48 square plus 1296 by 2 and minus 48 plus or minus under root 3600 by 2. So, we get minus 48 plus 60 plus or minus 60 by 2 and therefore, we get x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 4. Since x is the speed of the stream, so it cannot be negative, so we ignore the root x is equal to minus 54, which is not possible solution. Therefore, we consider x is equal to 6 is the appropriate solution, and therefore x is equal to 6 gives the speed of the stream as 6 km per hour. तो ये था हमारा solution. Dear students, एक्सप्लेनिंग वीडियो नंबर 5 और 6 के द्वारा हमने एक्सरसाइज 4.3 से रिलेटेड 2 मेथड्स आपसे डिस्कस किए। पहले फेज में हमने आपसे डिस्कस किया एग्जाम्पल 7 से 10 लेकर, जिसमें हमने कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड का यूज़ किया। और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया, और इसके बाद वाले सम में हमने यूज़ किया क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला को। अब आपकी बारी है, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4.3 को कंप्लीट करना है, आपको होल एक्सरसाइज करनी है। इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपने दोनों एक्सप्लेनिंग वीडियो को अच्छी तरह सुना, समझा और देखा होगा। तो अब आपको आपकी नोटबुक में एक्सरसाइज 4.3 कंप्लीट करनी है, एक्सरसाइज 4.3 जिसे आपको कंप्लीट करना है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे फिर से एक बार नेचर ऑफ रूट एक्सप्लेनिंग पॉइंट्स के साथ। तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय।